Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, convenience often beats health. But some foods do more harm than good. In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 foods you should never eat if you want to stay healthy. 2. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like sodas and energy drinks are loaded with empty calories. They spike your blood sugar, damage your teeth, and lead to weight gain. Instead, reach for water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices. 3. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, and deli slices are packed with preservatives and high sodium levels. Studies link them to heart disease and even cancer. Swap them for grilled chicken or fresh fish. 4. White bread. White bread is stripped of fiber and nutrients. It's made from refined grains that cause a quick sugar rush, leaving you feeling hungry soon after. Opt for whole grain or multigrain alternatives instead. 5. Artificial sweeteners. They might seem like a healthy substitute for sugar, but artificial sweeteners can confuse your body and lead to weight gain over time. Stick to natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. 6. Deep-fried foods. Deep-fried foods like French fries and fried chicken are loaded with unhealthy fats and calories. They can increase your risk of obesity and heart disease. Air fryers are a great way to enjoy crispy food without all the grease. 7. Margarine. Margarine is high in trans fats, which are bad for your heart and cholesterol levels. Replace it with healthier options like avocado or olive oil. 8. Packaged snacks. Chips, cookies, and crackers are filled with refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and artificial flavors. If you crave a snack, try nuts or homemade popcorn instead. 9. Canned soup. Canned soups are convenient but loaded with sodium and preservatives. Opt for homemade soups made with fresh ingredients. 10. Sugary cereals. They may look fun, but sugary cereals are a terrible way to start your day. They're high in sugar and lack essential nutrients. Choose oatmeal or whole grain cereals with fresh fruit. Making healthier choices doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Small changes in your diet can lead to a big impact on your health. What food on this list surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.